Mopresidente wa baahlodi Lekgotleng le phahameng la Western Cape John Hlophe o qhadilwe Nyewe ka ha dintlha tsa bopaki di sa utlwahale.
We want to sue Vanara as the first person. We want to sue Phindela, qeto, Chawa. They must come here and be sued because of the evidence that they gave before. We'll also look as to who else do we sue, but we can't leave the National Director of Public Prosecutions because this has been a malicious prosecution.
Nyewe ena ho bonahala e le karolo ya mmomoro wa sepolotiki ka hara ANC. Moo ditho tse ding tsa moga di bonwang di sebedisa makala a mmuso ho kenyeletswa le nyewe ya mongodi e moholo wa ANC Magashule.
This should serve as a lesson that we live in a society where there could be trumped up charges against individuals which are aimed at destroying them.
The discharge of the case will follow many cases that come where people are expected to step aside for no apparent reason and no due process.
This team in Bloemfontein has been charged under Section 34. And when you look at the law, as a premier then, he does not fall within the category of the people who must have reported under Section 34.
NPA e tla lekodisa kahlolo ena ya Lekgotla.
As the state, we note the decision of the court and we will take it and study the judgment before considering our options.
Adv Ntuthuzelo Vanara ha ya fumaneha ho ntsha maikutlo.